Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to calibrate the sensor on the GLD small refrigerant gas detector. To calibrate the sensor, you will need the service app, which you can download for free for iOS and Android, a calibration kit, and a test gas with a known concentration, typically between 50 to 100% of the measuring range of the sensor. Make sure the sensor is warmed up completely. We recommend that the unit has been in operation for a minimum of 45 minutes before conducting this procedure to ensure that the sensor is calibrated correctly. Let's have a look at how easily this can be done. First, let's put the unit into service mode. This is done using the magnetic wand you will find under the bottom lid. Hold the magnetic wand on the marked spot on the left side of the unit for 5 seconds, until the green LED light starts flashing. This means the unit is now in service mode and will not trigger any warnings or alarms via relays or Modbus. Connect the app by choosing Technician. Then enter the passcode to access the unit. Enter 2222. Choose the gas detector from the list and click the serial number. You are now connected to the unit. Start by changing the unit to the gas type you are using to calibrate the sensor. Go to Parameter. Scroll down to Gas Type. Select the chosen gas type. Click Back. Now choose Calibration from the footer menu in the app. Before connecting the calibration kit, make sure the sensor is ready and free of gas or other sources of pollution. Click Fresh Air Calibration at the bottom, then select Next. To perform the calibration, the specific gas indicated as the calibration gas needs to be used. Enter the gas cylinder reference, serial number of the reference gas, or other information to be shown on the certificate. Enter the concentration of the gas used for calibration. Click Send to Device to set the gas concentration used for calibration. Before you mount the calibration kit to the sensor head, it is important that the filter in the cylinder is moist. Remove the cylinder by pressing the lever and then detaching the two parts. Immerse the cylinder in a container filled with tap water for a few seconds. Place it back in the previous position and close the filter. Open the regulator on the gas cylinder to a pressure of around 0.5 liters per minute, and let the gas flow for a few seconds without the calibration adapter connected to the sensor. Now mount the calibration kit on the sensor head. Screw it on firmly. Supply the gas at the known concentration using the calibration kit. Wait about 1 minute until the gas concentration stabilizes. Expose the sensor to the gas until it stabilizes at the preferred level. The sensor should be exposed to the known gas concentration for a limited time. The recommended time is 3 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. Click Span Calibration in the app to set the calibration concentration. Enter the room temperature and relative humidity. These values will be entered on the calibration certificate to indicate the environmental conditions during calibration. It is not necessary to use a calibrated instrument to perform this measurement. An indicative value is sufficient. Verify the summary screen, checking that all the information has been entered correctly before generating the calibration report. Save the calibration report. Use File Manager to save it as a PDF file, or you can share the calibration report via email. You can now turn off the gas and remove the tube from the gas cylinder. Ensure you go back to Parameters to change the gas type from the test gas to the gas the unit is supposed to measure. Correct completion of the calibration process can be verified by checking that the value of days since last calibration has been updated to 0. Disconnect the app from the unit. Finally, make sure the gas detector is no longer in service mode. This is done by holding the magnetic wand on the marked spot on the left side of the unit for 5 seconds. When the green LED light is turned on and not flashing any longer, the unit is in operating mode. Now unscrew the calibration kit from the sensor head. And there you have it. You have now successfully calibrated the sensor on the gas detector and ensured it is working properly and safely. For any further questions, please refer to the product's full and detailed manual or contact us. Thank you for watching.